जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 66th श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, do you want to be happy? Yes, if you want to be happy, you have to have peace of mind. If you want to have peace of mind, your mind should not be thinking about all of these mundane things. If you do not want your mind to be thinking about all of these mundane things, your mind should be thinking about yourself, that is Atma. That means Atma Mananam should be continuously going on in your mind. If you want your mind to think about Atma, you should have knowledge about Atma. How to get that knowledge? There is no one who can give you knowledge about Atma to you other than me. For that you have to have me in your mind. If you want to have me in your mind, all of your sensory organs should be cooperating with you. For that, you have to divert all of your sensory organs towards me. You have to engage all your sensory organs in serving me. If you can do that, your mind is fixed on me, then I will give you Atma Jnanam. Once I give you Atma Jnanam, you will start thinking about Atma continuously, constantly. Once that Atma Mananam is going on, your mind will not think about any other things. Then automatically your manas will be at peace. Once you attain peace of mind, you will have joy, you will have happiness in this life and forever. This is how Sri Krishna Paramatma, as an essence of all the Upanishads, giving us a process to enjoy our life and process to attain joy forever. Having Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, let us now repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Nasti buddhihi ayuktasya nachayuktasya bhavana nachabhavayataha Shantihi asantasya kutassukham. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee. Do all your actions as my service. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings through at least one sloka every day. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall do all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings every day, at least through one sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ప్రథమస్కంధం, Suta Maharshi is now telling all the Maharshis, Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Paramatma's gunas, the divine attributes, divine qualities is unlimited. No one has such unlimited attributes like Paramatma. O Maharshis, even Sakshat Lakshmi Devi, who used to be prayed by Brahma and other devatas, she will go away from them and reaches Paramatma. Though Paramatma does not show much of interest, Lakshmi Devi will be engaged in serving Paramatma. Tasya Angri Renum, such is Bhagavan's, Paramatma's glory. That is why only Mukunda, Sri Krishna Paramatma, is deserved to be addressed with a word Bhagavan. Ko nama loke bhagavat padardhaha. There is no other anyone who is deserved to be, who is qualified to be addressed with a word Bhagavan. O Maharshis, Sri Krishna Paramatma, when he was worshipped by Sakshat Chaturmukha Brahma, from Krishna Paramatma's left leg and from the finger there comes so much of water. That water became Ganga. That Ganga purifying Paramasiva and all the worlds. O Maharshis, such Mukunda, other than such Mukunda, who else would be qualified to be addressed with a word Bhagavan? O Maharshis, all those great people who starts developing cravings towards Paramatma, towards Bhagavan, becomes Paramahamsas. When they start developing desire and craving towards Paramatma, automatically so many divine qualities goes and establishes in them, like ahimsa, shanti, vishaya virakti, daya. That means non-violence, peace and detachment, compassion. All these great qualities goes and stays with them who starts developing a desire towards Paramatma. O Maharshis, you are all great scholars, you are all learned scholars, you all know Vedas, you all have more knowledge than me, but you are all asking me to disclose Paramatma's Vaibhavam, the glory. That is why, to my possible extent, I will try to disclose Bhagavan's Vaibhavam to you all, as and how a bird can fly to some extent in the sky, but more than that, beyond that, the bird cannot fly. So also Paramatma's glory, Paramatma's effulgence is unlimited. So I shall try whatever that my intellect, my buddhi can bring all that Vaibhavam and disclose to you. I will try to do that. Like this, Suta Maharshi is telling Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Nasta Dharme Navasu Nichaye Naiva Kamopabhoge Yadyad Bhavyam Bhavatu Bhagavan Purva Karmanurupam Etat Prardhyam Mama Bahumatam Janma Janmantarepi Tvatpadam Bhoruha Yugagata Nischala Bhaktirastu. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasitravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 66th sloka. Nasti buddhihi ayuktasya nachayuktasya bhavana nacha bhavayataha shantihi asantasya kutas sukham. Nasti buddhirayuktasya nachayuktasya bhavana nacha bhavayatasyantihi asantasya kutas sukham. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.